Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet sprig stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the sprig stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. You're then going to work one half double crochet into the second chain from your hook, skip 2, and then work a sprig stitch in the next chain, skip 2, work a sprig stitch, and so on for the rest of your row. You will then be making one row that you will repeat for however long you want your project, and I will show you how to make that on the row that I'm currently working. You're going to start with one chain on your hook. You're then going to work one half double crochet into this first stitch right here. Now we've come to our first previous sprig stitch. You're going to be working into the little space right here at the very top. So you're going to work one single crochet, a second single crochet in that same space, chain 2, then work one single crochet in that same space, and then another single crochet in that same space. And all together, that is going to make a sprig stitch. So it's 2 singles, chain 2, and then 2 more single crochet all in the same space. Now you're going to skip over to this sprig stitch space over here, and you're going to work a single crochet, another single crochet in that same space, chain 2, single crochet again, and another single crochet all in that same space. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to make a half double crochet into the last stitch. That's going to match the half double crochet that you made at the beginning of your row. And that is going to be how to make the sprig stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.